Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you pay Netflix using DBO online. To pay Netflix using DBO Bank online, you could either add your DBO debit card or credit card as a payment method on Netflix, or use a third-party payment service that accepts DBO like GCash or PayMaya if they're not linked to your Netflix account. So here's what you need. First of all, you want to open your application or go to netflix.com, click the login or sign in. And if you have not created your account, you want to tap on the sign up and go ahead and create your account. As creating your account, you want to then choose a plan. So as per the plan, you could go and select either basic, standard, premium, or maybe mobile. After you're done selecting, click the next from the bottom of the page. Moving on, you'll have to select your payment method. So right over here, you want to select credit card or debit card. Or else what you could do is simply go ahead and click on manage payment info under membership or billing and click on manage payment info. Then select the options to add a new payment method. Then you have to provide the DBO debit or credit card details, including the card number, expiry date, and the CVV. Then you have to go and save the payment information and follow the verification steps. And after which you'll have successfully added your DPO bank, and through that you could go and pay Netflix. So that's the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.